Lesson 24, Animal Life. In this lesson, we are going to learn about types of animals, uses of animals. Let us protect animals. Kingdom of animals is fantastic. It is very important for us to learn and understand their behavior pattern and living pattern. So come on, let me take you to the animal kingdom. Our earth is a home for many kind of animals. Some animals are big and some are small. Most animals have 4 legs to walk on the land. They suckle their babies and give birth to their young ones. They are called mammals. We see many kind of animals around us. Some animals live in the jungle. They are called wild animals. Some animals live in the farms and they are not wild. We use these animals to help us. These animals are known as pet animals or domestic animals. Some animals live in the water. They are known as water animals or aquatic animals. Some animals fly in the sky. They are birds or insects. Types of animals. Now let us have a look at types of animals. There are mainly 3 types of animals: land animals, water animals, and air animals. Land animals are further classified into wild animals and domestic and pet animals. Air animals are further classified into birds and insects. Now let us have a look at each one of them in detail. Land animals. Wild animals. Some animals live in jungle. They are known as wild animals. Wild animals are difficult to train. They get upset while handled by humans. They find their own food and shelter. Some of them eat the flesh of other animals. Such animals are called flesh eaters. Example: lion, tiger, cheetah, etc. Some animals eat plants. They are called plant eaters. Example: monkey, elephant, giraffe, etc. Now let us have a look at some pictures of wild animals. Domestic animals and pet animals. Some animals can be tamed. We keep them in our houses or in farms. They are domestic animals. Example: horse, goat, sheep, etc. They are useful to us in many ways. They depend on us for food and shelter. We keep some animals as pets. They are our friends. We must take care of them. Example: dog, cat, etc. Now let us have a look at some pictures of domestic and pet animals. Water animals. Some animals live inside the water. They are called water animals or aquatic animals. They may live in lakes, ponds, rivers, etc. Fishes are main water animals. They have fins to swim and gills to breathe. Some animals like frogs live on land as well as in water. It is an example of amphibian. Frog has webbed feet that help him to swim. Some of the other examples of water animals are crabs, crocodile, shark, etc. Air animals. Animals like birds and insects show aerial mode of life. Birds fly in the air. They have light bodies and wings to fly. They lay eggs to reproduce. Peacock is our national bird. Other examples of birds are crow, sparrow, parrot, etc. Insects are small animals found everywhere. Some of them have wings to fly. Some of the examples of insects are cockroach, ant, spider, etc. Animals are very useful to us. They give us many things. Now let us take a look at uses of animals in detail. Uses of animals. The dog guards our home. The cat keeps away the mice. Horses and bullocks pull carts and wagons. Hens and ducks give us eggs. Cows, goats and buffaloes give us milk. Sheep gives us wool, which is used to prepare woolen clothes. We get meat from hens and goats. Some people keep parrots as pets and train them to talk like humans. Honeybees give us honey. We get silk from silkworm, which is used to prepare silk cloth. People like to keep fishes in a fish tank at their home. Leather is made from the skin of some animals. Leather is used to make shoes, clothes, belts, purses, and many other things. Animals like donkeys, horses, elephants, and camels carry load to make our work easy. Some people like to eat fish. Let us protect animals. We should protect animals and their home. We should not kill or hunt them for our own benefits. We should not cut down forests because they are home for many animals. Animals need our love and care. We should never hurt them and always be kind to them. Points to remember. There are mainly three types of animals: land animals, water animals, and air animals. Animals are very useful to us. We should save and protect animals. Guess, who am I? Guess, who am I? I am tall and have a very long neck. I am a dash. Come on, tell me, who am I? Come on fast. Right, giraffe. I am a pet bird. I can copy what you say. I am a dash. Come on, tell me, who am I? Remember I told you earlier? Right, parrot. I am domestic animal. I say moo and give you milk. I am a dash. Come on, tell me, who am I? Come on fast. Right, cow. I am a flesh eater. I am the national animal of India. I am a dash. Come on, tell me, who am I? Right, tiger. I have black and white stripes. You find me at road crossing. I am a dash. Come on, tell me, who am I? Come on fast. Right, zebra. Match the column. Fish and frog. Fish and frog are examples of which type of animals? Come on, tell me, which is the correct option out of these? Right, aquatic animals. Crow and parrot. Come on, tell me, crow and parrot are examples of which type of animals? Come on fast. Right, they are examples of birds. Lion and tiger. Lion and tiger are examples of which types of animals? Come on, tell me fast. Right, they are examples of Wild animals. Ant and spider. Ant and spider are examples of which type of animals? Which is the correct option? Right, insects. Dog and cow. Dog and cow are examples of which type of animals? Come on, tell me. Right, domestic animals. So, fish and frog are examples of aquatic animals. Crow and parrot are examples of birds. Lion and tiger are examples of wild animals. Ant and spider are examples of insects. Dog and cow are examples of domestic animals. True or false? We get milk from dog. True or false? Come on, tell me. Right, false. We get milk from cow. Pet animals are easy to train. True or false? Come on, tell me fast. Right, true. Hens carry load for us. True or false? Come on, tell me fast. Right, false. Elephants and donkey carry load for us. A cow lives in a shade. True or false? Come on, tell me fast. Right, true. Peacock is our national bird. True or false? Right, true. Circle the birds. Find the examples of birds and draw a circle around them. Tiger. Is tiger a bird? No, tiger is not a bird. Crow. Is crow a bird? Yes, crow is a bird. So I will draw a circle around it. Duck. Is duck a bird? Come on, tell me fast. Right, duck is a bird. Cow. Is cow a bird? No, cow is not a bird. Sparrow. Is sparrow a bird? Right, sparrow is a bird. So I will draw a circle around it. Dog. Is dog a bird? No, dog is not a bird. Peacock. Is peacock a bird? Right, peacock is a bird. Elephant. Is elephant a bird? No, it is not a bird. Crocodile. Is crocodile a bird? No, it is not a bird. Parrot. Is parrot a bird? Come on, tell me fast. Right, parrot is a bird. So I will draw a circle around it. So, crow, duck, sparrow, peacock and parrot are examples of birds. Classify the animals. Write L for land animals and W for water animals. Cheetah. Cheetah is a land animal or water animal? Come on, tell me fast. Right, land animal. So I will write L. Starfish. Starfish is a land animal or water animal? Come on, tell me fast. Right, starfish is a water animal. So I will write W. Giraffe. Come on, tell me, giraffe. Right, land animal. So I will write L. Shark. Shark. Come on, tell me, shark. Which type of animal? Right, water animal. Lion. Lion. Come on, tell me. Right, land animal. Crocodile. Crocodile is a water animal or land animal? Come on, tell me fast. Right, water animal. So I will write W. Horse. Horse is a land animal or water animal? Come on, tell me fast. Right, land animal. So I will write L. Sheep. Sheep. Which type of animal? Right, land animal. Dog. Come on, tell me. Dog. Right, land animal. Dolphin. Which type of animal is dolphin? Right, water animal. So, cheetah, giraffe, lion, horse, sheep and dog are land animals. Starfish, shark, crocodile and dolphin are water animals.